2026 Honda Pilot. This SUV offers space as well as power and performance. It looks as sharp as it performs, with stylish features which include cross-traffic alert, lane keeping assist, lane departure warning, Wi-Fi hotspot, navigation, multi-zone air conditioning, blind spot monitor, third row seating, backup camera, tinted windows, rear air conditioning, power driver seat, power passenger seat, pass-through rear seat, Bluetooth. We'll help you find exactly what you're looking for.